Hey, espresso lovers, Mark here from Whole Latte Love. I've got this beautiful Profitec Pro 600 with me here today, this dual boiler little baby. What I'm going to show you how to do is to reset the PID to its factory condition. Now, why would you want to do that? Well, maybe you're going to drain the boilers and store the machine for a while and you want it to fill properly when you start it back up down the road. This will take care of that. Or perhaps maybe you got a little too deep into some of the PID settings and messed something up in there. This will reset all those settings to like they were just fresh out of the factory. So really easy to do. One thing on the Pro 600, you do need to have some water in the reservoir when you do this. So you just got to have that float in your reservoir floating in order to do this. Otherwise, your PID is not even going to come on. All right, so how do you do it? You're just going to hold, notice my machine's off, hold down the plus button, keep it pressed down the whole time, turn the power on and wait. We're waiting for PRS in the display. It does take a little bit, so be patient. Just keep holding that plus button. Now, I have run into a couple machines in the past where it's the minus button. So if you don't get the PRS, and once you get it, you can release. If you don't get this PRS here, try doing the same thing with the minus button. Then all you gotta do, shut the machine off, and then you're done. All your PID settings will be reset. Next time you start it up, it's gonna go into fill mode, where it'll fill the steam boiler first, and then you'll have to lift the lever for at least 30 seconds and let water run through to make sure that your boiler is filled properly before things start heating up. So, hope that helped you out. I'm Mark from Whole Latte Love. Thanks for watching, and I do hope you'll come back soon for more of the best on everything coffee.